Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang monthly reading ninyo for March 2026. So this is a general reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi po ako magme-message or magpo-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat po kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Ayan, so kung gusto niyo ng private reading, meron tayong website, mysticqueenph.com. Nandiyan na yung mga information at kung paano mag-book. Pwede na kayong mag-book directly sa aking calendar, nasa comment section or sa description. Paki-check na lang. Okay, let's see Scorpio. Ano ang energy ng March for you? For Scorpio, March 2026. For Scorpio. You don't need a sign, you need a nap. Okay. So for you, Scorpio, baka yung iba sa inyo nag-o-obsess kayo about signs na gusto nyong makita because you want something to happen sa buhay ninyo. You may be relying only on astrology or tarot or parang manifestation na nakalimutan nyo na mag-take ng action sa inyong mga minamanifest. Kasi syempre, astrology, tarot, yan, guides lang naman yan. 'Di ba? Mahirap din na laging doon mo ifo-focus or parang ibabasa yung mga decision mo sa buhay. Kung magre-resonate, edi okay, parang gano'n, 'di ba? Pero kung hindi mo naman kailangan ipilit. You just need a nap. Kailangan mo lang ng ipahinga yung sarili mo. Kasi kapag ikaw ay nag-o-obsess sa isang bagay, ang tendency parang wala kang ibang nakikita kundi yung binibigyan mo ng focus eh. And medyo mahirap pag na wala masyadong ibang information na napapansin ka. So when you take a nap, nakakapahinga yung isip mo and nagkakaroon niya ng bagong space for new information. So maaring doon ka magkaroon ng clarity sa sitwasyon na meron ka. Okay? Not everyone is sent to teach you a lesson. Some people are just dumb. Nakakatawa tong cards na to talaga. So, yeah, minsan meron mga tao sa buhay mo na yung bang parang, minsan kasi parang we always ask for signs na dapat ganito, pag ganito nangyari, ibig sabihin, this person is for me. Sometimes, meron lang talagang mga tao na dadaan sa buhay natin na they don't really stay for a reason. Parang lang, ano lang yan. Siguro, mga maliliit na lessons, but not something na monumental na malaking impact sa buhay mo. Okay? And then, it's destiny, right? If it comes back, it's either meant to be or it's a roach. Okay, nakakatawa to, Scorpio. But, you know what? Maari kasing yung iba sa inyo, parang, you know what I mean? Kasi minsan, example, meron sa akin magpaparead na magulo yung isip niya, as in lahat, parang feeling niya, pag nagpa-read siya, nandun lahat yung clarity. I mean, yes, merong mga energies na maipapakita, but at the end of the day, you will decide. Hindi yung tarot, hindi yung astrology, ikaw. Okay? So, if you feel na this person is not really meant for you, or this situation is not meant for you, then all you need to do is to accept and move on and surrender. 'Di ba? Hindi naman natin kailangan ipilit lahat ng bagay na hindi na nag-a-align sa ating life, at you will malalaman mo 'yun kasi hindi siya masaya, hindi comfortable. It's stressful. It's not giving you peace. Pag ganon, let go na. Individuality, you will also focus on yourself. So after all of these realization na, you might be obsessing over something or someone, now you will focus, kumbaga i-focus mo yung attention mo sa sarili mo. You may be going through a transformation, change in your life, like a rebirth, reinvention ng iyong sarili. O, some of you, part to ng pagkakaroon ng spiritual career ninyo. Like you are, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, kaya ka nagkakaroon ng mga ganitong experiences, challenging experiences. Kasi kakailanganin mo yan the moment na meron kang gawing spiritual work. Or to be in a spiritual career. Or to have a spiritual career. So some of you naman, if you are already, kung ang inyong career ngayon ay into spirituality, mas tinetest ka ng universe kung gaano ka katatag. Kasi yung experience talaga ng isang spiritual na spiritual person ay yan yung malaking tulong para sa mga, let's say, pinipreach niya or sa mga ini-explain niya or sa mga sinasabi niya. Kaya usually kapag hindi pa talaga ganun ka-experience ang isang tao, mararamdaman mo na parang ang babaw lang ng mga pinagsasasabi niya kasi pwedeng hindi pa siya ganun ka-experience. Now, your overall energy, the temperance, so this is about you healing from the things na, yung parang you're taking a step back na kung nag-obsess ka about something ngayong March, you are going to take a step back na parang, oh, teka lang, magigising ka sa katotohanan. You are learning, okay? You are learning from the lost time, yung mga, maaari kasing marami kang na-miss out ng mga opportunities because of focusing on one thing alone. This is also about your patience. You are being more patient and willing ka na mag-undergo sa process na kailangan mong pagdaanan. Now, your challenge is the Queen of Pentacles. So, pwede magkaroon ng challenging situations sa trabaho, sa career mo, sa business mo, or sa isang tao na merong authority over you. Can be sa workplace or sa family. Now, your opportunity is the Two of Wands. This is choosing. Meron kang pipiliin na bagong path na sa tingin mo, mas kaya mong mag-commit dito. So, this can be a new job or career opportunities. Meron ding travel opportunities for you. I think this is also part ng inyong spiritual na changes na gagawin. Like, parang spiritual awakening or part ng spiritual growth ninyo. Yung may mga retreat, ganyan. Tapos, magjo-join ka sa mga groups na you are aligned sa kanilang energies at sa kanilang mga belief system. Now, your blessing is the Tower. Oh, as a blessing, you are letting go or releasing something na alam mong hindi na to aligned sa'yo. So, this can be a belief system or a situation. Pwede kasing symbolic to eh. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you are cutting off a connection, a friendship, or like a family member na sa tingin mo hindi na sa'yo helpful. Like, when I say hindi helpful, maaring puro stress lang yung binibigay sa'yo or katoksikan. Or even a job opportunity na parang feeling mo, you need to make some changes in your career. Now, your focus is really about yourself, taking care of yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. You really want na magkaroon ka ng mas maayos na buhay moving forward. You are also taking care of your kalusugan. Eating healthy, you are sleeping more, sleeping well. Family wishes come true. So, merong wish sa family na matutupad. Iba-ibang wishes yan. So, whatever that is. It's time to take action sa iyong mga plano. This is the time to take that job or to follow your dreams, your goals. You will be receiving or giving a precious gift. Uy, ang ganda. So, giving or receiving a gift ngayong March. Getting together with friends. So, some of you will enjoy the company of your friends. Na I feel like these are new friends na makikilala mo ngayong March, or reuniting with some friends na matagal mo na hindi nakakasama for some reasons. And then, be open through transitional time. So this is change. This is transformation for some of you. I think magiging open ka sa mga pagbabago na mangyayari eh. And then, strengthen your boundaries and cut cords. So ito na nga. You are setting boundaries and cutting connections that are no longer serving your highest good. Kasi mas gusto mo ngayon ng peace of mind. Yes. So that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.